Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need to start by verifying prerequisites, the Vscode build and any UI affecting extensions. Once confirmed, open the command palette with Ctrl plus Shift plus P and choose the Debug. Open View command to expose the debug panels. Make sure to back up your settings. JSON file now so you can revert changes. You're not only opening panels, you're preparing to edit the settings that control the debug console visibility and behavior, which is faster than uninstalling extensions cold. Now take action. In the Run and Debug view, use the panel options to hide the debug console. This is the quickest toggle. For a persistent change, open Settings, JSON and set Debug. Console. Close on end to True or edit internal console options to never open. That prevents automatic focus. If the console persists, identify extensions that inject a console and disable or uninstall them from the extensions pane. These steps change both UI state and behavior. Finish by restarting Vscode to ensure the settings take effect and any cached debug panels are cleared. Make sure to check both workspace and user settings. Workspace settings can override your user preference, so edit the correct settings. JSON. If something breaks, restore your backup or use settings sync to revert. One key troubleshooting tip: if the console reappears only in a project, inspect that project's Vscode folder for launch, JSON, or settings that re-enable the internal console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.